I have also transcribed software. Now I have already running the code, and now I show you on screen. There is a screen, and I will show you screen where I upload a file. This is a monologue audio file, and I will click on transcript. This is a transcript test. Now you can contact me for transcript the file of English files, and now I upload the video of YouTube, Facebook, and Insta and LinkedIn.